Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by launching Metal and Roblox together so you capture the moment. Open Metal, sign in, and confirm your recording hotkey. This is your primary control. Once done, set Roblox to the resolution and frame rate you want, then enter the map and move your camera to the starting point. Make sure background apps are closed to prevent frame drops, and test a short recording to verify audio and video sync before attempting the full clip. Start recording with your configured hotkey and capture a bit of lead-in and follow-through. This extra buffer helps when trimming. After stopping, open Metal's editor and use the trim handles to cut to the necessary action, removing idle frames so the clip stays tight. If you need exact timing, use frame step or slow motion playback to find the precise frame to begin and end. Then stabilize any jitter and recheck audio levels before exporting a quality-ready clip. Once your trim looks clean, export using MP4 at the game's native resolution and pick a bitrate that balances size and clarity. 8 to 12 megabits per second is a good target. After export, upload directly via Metal or your chosen platform, add concise tags and a clear title so viewers find it. If you encounter lag, frame drops, or corrupted exports, retry using lower settings, update GPU drivers and codecs, and test with a short clip until the issue is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.